Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to another video from me. And this is going to be a quick update about my computer. Basically, as you all know, I built myself a computer, and I'm going to be recording the process of any upgrades that I do over its lifetime. And I haven't touched it recently, so I thought, well, I'll buy some memory for it. This is another Hyper-Fury X, which is already in there. It's another 4 gig module. So that will boost the memory up to 8 gigabytes, and hopefully it'll be on dual channel, which should make things a lot more nicer. So just to give it a quick overview of what's happening at the moment, I've got my system monitor open, and I'm just going to have a quick sneaky peek about what's happening. So as you see, it's using about half of its memory at the moment. And it boots off in about 5 seconds. I'm not going to prove that to you because I don't have the timer thing inside, but it doesn't really matter. So I'll install the memory and I'll get right back to you and see what's happening. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm back, and welcome to the 8 gigs of memory. It's still in single channel mode for some reason, but basically what it might be is I might have put it in the wrong. I put it on slot A1 and A2 instead of A1 and B2 maybe, but you know, I'll try and get it. I'll try and do that and see if it makes a difference. Well, as you can see, it's using 24% of its 8 gigabytes. And wow, sound effects there. That's in use. See, I'm getting myself a quick lesson there. But yeah, it certainly made it quite a good performance improvement. I mean, it's taken three seconds off the start time. It's about 3 seconds start up instead of 5, so it's pretty good. And coupled with this solid state drive, it's definitely made one heck of a difference. Anyway, what I'll be doing, guys, is I'll be linking the previous video in this one, and obviously the linking the other video, this video to the other one, so people know either way. So once again, I'd like to thank you very much, and see you very soon.